My project is MangaDroid.MP4, which is a website that already takes Japanese comic books known as manga, and as they are released in Japan, they scan them in Japan and bring them to the US, and people online translate them and put them online. This is usually done within a couple, within hours of its release in Japan. And for US fans, this is awesome because they want to get it as soon as possible. Every week there's a bunch of series that are released in Japan that are very popular in Japan and in the US, and this website is for that. MangaDroid.MP4.
How many people will be following, you think? How big is the community? People following the manga?
The community gets tens of thousands of hits, but this application...
They're close to millions, you think?
I don't think so yet. Maybe in the hundreds of thousands.
Hundreds of thousands, okay.
But I actually looked at the Alexa and Chromecast statistics, and they are gaining ground on one manga, which is the leader in this type of thing. One manga definitely gets millions of hits.
Millions of hits, not millions of users.
Yes.
Okay, so what did you do?
Well, this app, it allows you to browse MangaDroid.com, not through its website, but through an application on your phone. I emailed the developers of MangaDroid.com and I asked them if they had an API, and sure enough, the developer said he can put one together real quick for me, and within 2 days I had a key and everything ready to go. And the API works through HTTP, either XML or JSON, and it allows me to get the latest series, all the series that are in the database, and then chapters by series, and so forth and so on.
How long did you take to develop it?
So far I've been working on it about 2 to 3 months. I would say that the code is around 10,000 to 15,000 lines, just estimating.
How many downloads so far?
So far 2,700 downloads.
2,700 downloads.
You can actually, right here, I have it open right now, you can zoom in right here. Here's the actual number from the Android market.
Hi, what is this? Whoa, looks cool. It's
So it is how many? Are we talking about? It's not focusing.
Well, it's 2727.
27. Okay, so not bad.
Yes. It's the same idea.
And so far the star rating is 4.16 on the market.
Oh, 4.16.
Out of 51 ratings. So the app is well liked by the community. They appreciate it. And,
within the community.
Yes, and we're actually releasing new features that will allow you to not only get notifications when a new chapter is released, you'll also be able to have it be downloaded to your phone so you can read it offline, or bookmarks, things like that we're adding to the application.
What have you learned in the process?
I have learned how to do proper Java exception handling. I have learned how to do bug reporting. We have
And a parser?
We have a very cool system in place in this application that allows us to store the exception, the stack trace, to a TXT file, to a private TXT file that only this app can read. And then when the application turns on after a crash, it checks if this TXT file has a crash report in it and asks the user if they would like to send it to our server. And I actually have a bug tracking system right here on this website.
That was very good.
Where I know exactly the phone, the actual consumer level name of the phone. So it'll actually say T-Mobile G1 or my.
Oh, you can detect the machine type.
Yeah, exactly. I also know the operating system version, and I MP5 hash the string of the stack trace so that I can compare it to other bug reports. And when they match, I have a counter here, and here I have 39 occurrences of this bug, 23 of this bug, and I can click on them and see specific reports, and then open and close the actual stack trace. So it's a fully featured bug reporting system for Android.
Very good. So say your name, please.
Henry Paradis.
And what's the name of the project?
The project is called Manga Stream. Search for it on the Android marketplace. That's about it.
Thank you.